English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2, fraction, grasp, hierarchy. Fraction. Fraction is a noun. C2 learners usually know fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. Here are some examples. You can easily convert a decimal into a fraction. After the photocopier was serviced, the work took a fraction of the time. The amount shown is only a fraction of the true value of the business. Grasp. Grasp is a verb. C2 learners usually know grasp. One meaning of grasp is to hold something firmly in the hand. Here are some examples. At that moment, she grasps the rope that finally saves her from falling. He ran his pencil over the paper that he grasped tightly in his other hand. She grasped her son's hand firmly as they walked along the busy road. Hierarchy. Hierarchy is a noun. C2 learners usually know hierarchy. A hierarchy is a system of ranking people or things in order of importance. Here are some examples. An army has a well-defined hierarchy. The people lower down in the hierarchy had the initiative. Family income and education, which may reflect rank in the social hierarchy, are strongly related to health. Now write some of your own sentences with fraction, grasp, hierarchy. Download the free C2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.